Hi everybody, thanks for watching. You're looking at the box that my digital scanner came in. This is the Epson V600 Perfection. It's a photo color scanner. It does photos, film, and documents. I'm very happy with this scanner, and I'm going to take you in the office in a few minutes. This scanner comes with like what it says right there, the photo scanner itself, a transparency unit which is built into the lid, film holders right here for a variety of things, 35 millimeter and mounted slides, and medium format film. So different things that you can scan. It also comes with the CD-ROM software, a start here poster, the USB 2.0 cable, and an AC adapter and power cable. So here's all the paperwork that comes with it. This is exceptionally important. And before you do this, you know, a lot of computers nowadays don't have DVD drives or CD drives. So make sure you have one of those before you buy this. Simple instructions on how to connect it up. No issues there at all. And here's a picture of the unit with one of these special film adapters in here. A little bit about why I got this. My mother passed away, and we wanted to put together something for the remembrance with the family. So I got this in about 1 day shipping, and over the course of about a day, I scanned about 300 old pictures and put them together in a slideshow. And I was super impressed. You know, it's an emotional time, of course, but I was super impressed by the quality that would take these very old, faded, colored photographs and bring out the colors to make them brilliant and nice. And it also has the capability with this software to mend a ton of just old picture blemishes just by clicking a button. So that's the digital ice. It's a complete photo restoration solution. And the DPI is pretty good, 6400 to 9600. I think you can make like up to 17-inch prints here without really sacrificing quality. But let's go look at the unit itself. And just so you know, I've scanned almost 6,000 pictures with this thing. So I did take it upon myself to scan the family's childhood photo library and distribute that to all the kids. And this is the workhorse that I use to do that. Okay, here's the scanner in its location. I'm going to bump the tripod to get past. You're going to need a flat surface to set it up because it's a flatbed scanner. This is LED technology, so there's really no warm-up. The button is on the side. And just lift up the... I had to take this off to work. I spent about an hour a day for about a month and a half doing this. It's a big bed. Here's some old photos. I like this one. It's my little brother with a big meathead. But if you can see right now, this is really faded. He's about 45 right now, and this is him at a couple months old. We'll stick this in the middle. Close the lid. All right, I opened up the appropriate scanning software, and you can see over here a little box. What you can't see is the progress bar on the bottom turning from white to green. This is not the fastest scanner in the world. Let me adjust this a little bit more. It probably averages 1 print a minute, 60 an hour. What you can do, though, is lay 2 or 3 pictures on at once to minimize your work of flipping them out. And that's what I do. And you can see right now the scanning. The bar is slowly getting better. And there's Johnny's little mug. He got better looking, thank goodness. This thing is just scanning away. We'll come back in a second. Okay, it finished scanning. And now this is like a 5x7 print on here. And I'll show you the difference. That is John's ugly little melon when he's a baby. But he's a good-looking man, beautiful wife, and beautiful family now. But this is a 1975 picture that basically has faded completely. Yellowed and everything. And then when it scans, although I'll take a picture of this and put it in a video. But the colors are vibrant. He's posing on a little blue rug. And, just a fabulous difference. Now do this 5,000 times or lay out 3 pictures at a time. And you can take an old faded collection and make them vibrant. And what I did is I just made thumb drives for the whole family and sent them out and surprised everybody. So about the image correction and enhancement, that's the ice. That's automatic. You can remove dust and scratches and fading. The LED, 0 warm-up time. It's got optical character recognition if you don't want to do photos. If you just want to do a document, you can scan a document and then later on word correct it. And instantly scan, copy, send email, create PDFs. It's a really versatile piece of equipment. So I'm happy we got it. It touched a soft spot in our hearts to create all these old pictures that were in shoe boxes and boxes in the back of a closet to put on people's desktop. So there's the labor of love. It's not going to be instant, but you can control what you want. And if you're just a collector of old images, old documents, old postcards, this is a way to bring them new life and vitality. Price point on this, you're going to pay about $200, but the memories are priceless. So I recommend this Epson. We are a medium level user. Again, I've scanned maybe 6,000 pictures over the last couple months. So I have a bit of experience with it, and not super fast, but very good results. If you're interested more in this, I'll put a link in the bottom, and we can go ahead and go to an Amazon link and learn more about them or buy one. Okay, thanks for watching.